mortgage demand spiked sharply higher last week after President Trump's post on social media that in an effort to lower rates, he would order Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac to buy $200 billion in mortgage-backed bonds. Now, just on that news, the average rate on the 30-year fix sunk briefly below 6% on Friday morning before bouncing slightly higher again. But the average rate on the 30-year fix for all of last week, that's the average on the Mortgage Bankers Association survey for conforming loans, dropped to 6.18% from 6.25%. Again, that's the weekly average, but Friday it was much lower. And as a result, refinance demand surged 40% higher for the week and was 128% higher than the same week 1 year ago. The average loan size for refi applications also higher because borrowers with larger loan sizes are typically more sensitive to those changes in rates.
So you guys got to stop doing this. First and foremost, you guys got to stop doing this. You guys got to stop refinancing unless you're going from a 30 to a 15 or a 10 because they have 10-year mortgages. And that's honestly, I'm not even going to give you guys anything else. That's it. And or you are not taking equity out of the home. These are what the banks want you to do. They want you to refinance. Why? Because that amortization schedule is going to start over. It's going to start over. All over again. And a lot of people don't understand that. 40%? Just because you want to refinance don't mean you're going to get approved. Right? Because you have to look at it from this angle. Being that the interest rates are dropping, okay. Let's say if we wanted to be stupid and say, you know what? Okay, this is a chance for me to get a lower monthly payment for my mortgage. We can refinance, get the lower interest rate, keep the same 30-year term that most of y'all are doing, and then just start over again. And you guys are happy to have the lower payment, but again, you are forgetting you are starting over again.